Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most secretive and highly protected military installations in the world, Israel's so-called Untouchable Desert Base. Located deep within the arid stretches of the Negev Desert, this base has been shrouded in secrecy for decades, and yet, recent satellite imagery and expert analysis have begun to reveal its scale and capabilities. Israel is known for its cutting-edge military technology, and this base is considered the crown jewel of its defense strategy. From state-of-the-art missile systems to advanced intelligence operations, this facility demonstrates how Israel prioritizes both security and innovation in a region marked by constant tension. The base itself is strategically positioned in a remote area, far from populated cities, making it nearly invisible to casual observation. Its location is not just about secrecy, it is about survivability. The harsh desert environment acts as a natural barrier against potential attacks, while the sprawling underground structures ensure that critical operations can continue even under extreme conditions. Analysts believe that the base serves multiple purposes: a command and control center, a testing ground for advanced weapons, and a storage facility for some of Israel's most sensitive military technology. Each element of the base has been carefully designed to maximize operational efficiency while minimizing vulnerability. One of the most fascinating aspects of this base is the integration of underground facilities. Much of the activity happens below the surface, where sophisticated tunnels and reinforced bunkers protect critical infrastructure. These underground complexes are equipped with advanced ventilation systems, power supplies, and communication networks, making them largely self-sufficient. In times of crisis, the base could operate independently for extended periods, which is crucial given the volatile geopolitical situation in the region. Experts suggest that this design is inspired by the lessons learned from previous conflicts, where above-ground installations were often the first targets during hostilities. Satellite imagery has provided some clues about the base's layout. Analysts have identified multiple launch pads, training areas, and large storage facilities hidden within the desert terrain. These launch pads are believed to support both short-range and long-range missile testing, ensuring Israel maintains its technological edge. The presence of specialized buildings indicates ongoing research and development, likely in coordination with some of the country's top defense contractors. The integration of testing, storage, and operational readiness in a single, highly secure location reflects a level of planning that is rare even among the most advanced militaries. Security around the base is extremely tight. While the exact measures remain classified, it is known that the area is protected by multiple layers of surveillance, including radar systems, unmanned aerial vehicles, and highly trained personnel. Any unauthorized approach is quickly detected and neutralized, making physical infiltration nearly impossible. Moreover, Israel's extensive cyber capabilities likely add another layer of defense, protecting the base from digital intrusions. This combination of physical and technological security ensures that the facility remains untouchable even under sophisticated attack scenarios. The role of this base in Israel's defense strategy cannot be overstated. It acts as a central hub for rapid deployment and response, allowing military leaders to coordinate operations across different branches of the armed forces. In addition, it likely serves as a testing ground for some of Israel's most advanced missile defense systems, including the Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow programs. By centralizing these capabilities, the base not only enhances Israel's defensive posture, but also ensures that the country can respond quickly to emerging threats. The integration of intelligence gathering, training, and operational readiness within a single location is a key advantage that cannot be easily replicated elsewhere. Another interesting aspect is the base's role in Israel's research and development ecosystem. The country is known for its rapid innovation in military technology, and this base is central to that effort. Engineers, scientists, and military personnel work together to develop new systems, test prototypes, and refine operational protocols. This close collaboration allows Israel to maintain a technological edge over potential adversaries. The secrecy surrounding the base ensures that these innovations remain protected until they are ready for deployment, giving Israel a significant strategic advantage. The desert environment itself offers unique benefits. The arid conditions and open terrain allow for extensive testing of various weapons systems without interference from civilian populations. The base can conduct live fire exercises, missile launches, and other critical tests safely and efficiently. In addition, the harsh conditions serve as a natural training ground, preparing personnel for operations in extreme environments. This combination of operational testing and real-world training ensures that both personnel and technology are ready for any scenario that may arise. Intelligence gathering is another critical function of this base. Analysts believe that it hosts advanced surveillance and reconnaissance systems designed to monitor regional developments. This likely includes satellite uplinks, radar installations, and secure communication networks. By centralizing intelligence capabilities, Israel can quickly assess threats and coordinate responses. The base's remote location ensures that these sensitive operations remain hidden from prying eyes, further enhancing Israel's strategic advantage. Despite the secrecy, some details have emerged about the personnel who operate the base. The staff is highly trained, including specialists in missile technology, intelligence analysis, cybersecurity, and tactical operations. The combination of these skill sets allows the base to function as a comprehensive military hub. Training within the facility likely involves simulations, live exercises, and coordination drills, ensuring that every team member is prepared for real-world scenarios. The focus on multidisciplinary expertise reflects Israel's emphasis on versatility and readiness in its military forces. The base also likely plays a role in Israel's deterrence strategy. By demonstrating advanced capabilities and operational readiness, Israel sends a message to potential adversaries about the risks of aggression. The presence of highly sophisticated weapons systems and secure command structures acts as a psychological barrier, discouraging hostile actions. This combination of secrecy, technological advancement, and strategic positioning is what makes the base untouchable in the eyes of both analysts and regional actors. One of the most intriguing elements is the potential integration of autonomous systems. Israel has been at the forefront of developing drones and robotic systems for military applications. It is highly probable that this base houses experimental platforms, testing aid-driven vehicles, surveillance drones, and autonomous defensive systems. Such capabilities would allow the base to operate with a reduced human footprint while increasing efficiency and effectiveness. The integration of robotics with traditional operations is a hallmark of modern military strategy, and Israel appears to be leveraging this fully. The base also likely supports rapid deployment capabilities. In the event of regional conflict, it can serve as a launch point for air, ground, or missile operations. Its strategic location and comprehensive facilities ensure that forces can be mobilized quickly and efficiently. This level of preparedness is critical in a region where conflicts can escalate rapidly. The base's ability to support simultaneous operations across multiple domains, land, air, and potentially cyber, highlights its strategic importance. Israel's investment in underground infrastructure at this base is particularly noteworthy. The tunnels and bunkers are likely reinforced with advanced materials to withstand explosions and missile strikes. This not only protects personnel, but also ensures the continuity of operations even in the event of an attack. Underground storage for weapons and sensitive equipment further enhances survivability, making the base resilient to both conventional and unconventional threats. This approach reflects Israel's broader strategy of redundancy and survivability in critical military installations. The base may also play a role in regional collaborations and intelligence sharing with allied nations. While specific details are classified, Israel has historically engaged in defense cooperation with key partners. The secure environment of this base would allow for controlled interactions, joint exercises, and testing of shared technologies. Such collaborations enhance Israel's strategic network while maintaining tight control over sensitive operations. This dual role, both as a national hub and a potential platform for allied cooperation, demonstrates the base's multifaceted significance. Over the years, speculation about the base has fueled both fascination and concern internationally. Analysts often debate the exact capabilities and functions, relying on satellite imagery, expert assessments, and occasional leaks. While much remains secret, the consistent theme is that Israel has created a highly advanced, self-sufficient, and resilient installation. Its combination of technology, strategic positioning, and operational readiness sets it apart from typical military bases. This is why it is often described as untouchable, not because it is invincible, but because its design and capabilities make it extremely difficult to compromise. The base also likely serves as a model for future military installations. Its integration of underground facilities, advanced testing areas, intelligence operations, and training zones represents a new standard for modern military planning. By combining these elements in one location, Israel maximizes both efficiency and security. Other nations observing the development of such facilities may draw lessons for their own strategic planning. This makes the base not just a national asset, but also an example of modern military architecture. It is important to recognize that the existence and operations of this base have broader geopolitical implications. Israel is situated in a region with ongoing conflicts and complex alliances. The base allows Israel to maintain a technological and operational edge, ensuring that it can respond decisively to any threats. Its presence may also influence the calculations of neighboring countries, adding a layer of deterrence that extends beyond conventional military capabilities. The combination of secrecy, technology, and strategic positioning underscores the base's significance in regional security dynamics. Finally, the fascination with Israel's desert base is a reminder of how modern military power is evolving. It is no longer just about numbers of troops or tanks, but about technology, intelligence, and survivability. Facilities like this represent the cutting edge of defense strategy, where innovation meets practical operational needs. For those interested in military technology and strategy, the base is a glimpse into the future of warfare, one where secrecy, automation, and rapid response define superiority. In conclusion, Israel's untouchable desert base is more than just a military installation. It is a testament to strategic planning, technological innovation, and operational resilience. By combining underground facilities, advanced testing areas, and robust security measures, Israel has created a hub capable of defending the nation and projecting power in a challenging region. While much about the base remains classified, the information that has emerged paints a picture of an installation that is sophisticated, well-protected, and central to Israel's military strategy. Its very existence reflects the priorities of a nation that must always be prepared, always alert, and always technologically ahead of potential threats.